In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. So this is very easy to do, but before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first step is open the App Store or the Play Store if you have an iOS device, and then search for Pinterest. Just type in Pinterest, and then as you can see here it says Pinterest, and you can hit install. Now the app is going to install, and as you can see it's verified by Play Protect, and this shouldn't take longer than a few minutes if you have fast internet speed, and if you have slow internet speed it could take a little bit more. As you can see now it's done, and you can hit open, and now you successfully installed the Pinterest app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.